Today we have a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is Police Give Rebellious High School Student a Lesson She Won't Forget.
Let's start with your name.
What the f do you want?
You committed a crime. That's what I want. Quit getting with me. You want to go in handcuffs and go to jail?
I don't.
Quit giving me your lip. You got any other stuff in your bra or anything?
I'm not even wearing a bra. What the
August 30th, 2024. Deputies are called to high school, where a 17-year-old student is caught with THC. What begins as a school search quickly spirals into a violent confrontation, all captured on camera.
Yeah. As soon as I walk in the room, it smells like freaking weed in here. Oh, we got smart mouth.
Y'all are asking the damn same question over and over again.
Hey.
Not be dumbasses.
Hey, what's your name? What's your name? Let's start with your name.
What the f do you want?
You committed a crime. That's what I want. Quit getting with me. You want to go in handcuffs and go to jail?
I don't.
Quit giving me your lip. I'm not a staff. I'm not a teacher here. You're messing with a violation of the law. So you be respectful. You got it?
You're not being respectful either. Asking the same dumb question over and over.
Let's tone it down.
No.
Knock it down a little bit.
No.
I'm asking. Okay, well, this is what we're going to do then. Since we're going to be this way. Obviously, you've been to teen court before. Have you gone that route before? So right now, Deputy Cribb, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. You'll also have the right to stop answering any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand these rights? Yes? No? You're just going to stare at me? You had to at least say yes or no. A head nod will work. You're on camera. Do you understand your rights? So you're not answering the question because I'm what? I can't.
Dumbass.
Okay, well, here's how we're going to do this. Take your shoes off.
Listen.
Take your shoes off.
Because you're a dumbass. Look, there's nothing in my shoes.
Up to this point, officers stayed calm with her, even though she was accused of wrongdoing. But things quickly spiraled when she refused to cooperate. At just 17, her adrenaline was so high that the real chaos began.
You got any other stuff in your bra or anything?
I'm not even wearing a bra.
I don't want to see them. I just ask you a simple question. Okay? Why are you getting so violent and so... You better unball your fists.
No.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old now.
Okay. You balled your fist up at me?
I don't...
You're under arrest. Give me your hands. I told you to ball your fist. You're going to get in my face. No.
247, you need a training support unit.
Temporal. 17-year-old female juvenile, 1015. Get up. Get up on your own power. I'm gonna charge you with another charge.
Get me up on here.
Sit down.
I'm already saying you dumbass.
You got anything else on you before they take you to jail? Because they're gonna search you again.
Leave me alone.
Okay. Just leave you alone.
What's wrong with you?
I don't have anything wrong with me.
Yes, you do.
So this is a crime.
Oh, no.
It's a third-degree felony.
Oh, no.
So that's what you're going to jail for.
Oh, no.
Third-degree felony. And
Oh, no.
and resisting.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Mom,
I'm going to look that one up. That one may or may not apply. I'm going to look that one up, too.
that sucks. It's not my fault you're a person. Are you stupid? It's out of fear, fucking rage.
Okay. Where's all her belongings at?
Bag's right there.
Okay.
That one's mine.
That one's you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna rob him down.
Can you do me a favor? Watch her while I go get some gloves?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You have some in my office.
Oh, that'll work. Yeah, I just need a pair of gloves.
Actually, you might have. You might be something.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna find the ball at my...
Sit down.
No.
Sit down. Thank you. All right, bye. Stop. I told you to stop. Now you kick me. I told you to stop. No. Let Miss Winfield.
2259
Stop.
Circle.
Just stop.
2529 Storm Circle.
I got a hot one car for you.
Listen, not to bring up stereotypes, but typically in the Asian community, man, they be on their heels, boy. They typically smart, tip top shape, man. You know. Yeah, I'm sure her parents is very, very disappointed, man. You see all the piercings and everything. All that stuff is just, to me, it's a cry for help. Some people will be like, oh, I'm just expressing myself and all. Man, that shit is a cry for attention, man. Like, look, nothing's even going on, and she was enraged, crying. She was so mad that she had tears running down her face. At that age and stuff, it's a cry for help, man. I remember the kids that used to do stuff like that at that age, you know, whatever. Like me personally, I was with the sports guys, you know what I'm saying? All my friends, we was in sports, you know what I'm saying? Whatever you want, jocks, whatever. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like we doing sports, we, you know, things like that, you know. So I was amongst that crowd. This crowd, it reminded me of like the crowd that like we used to have like in my high school. There used to be like a bridge area, like it's at the school, but it's like off to a off on a little path or whatever. And like people used to go over there like and like smoke cigarettes and like smoke weed and stuff like that. Like they used to sneak over to like the bridge or whatever they call and do those things. Like that's like that crowd. Like she would be with like that crowd. And it's just, you know, whatever but it's just yeah, she gotta tighten up, man, because at that age, you know, the cops are not trying to ruin your life. You know what I mean? They're not trying to like really get some real charges on you. You know what I mean? But it's like, you bringing it upon yourself because you're trying to show off, and you know, maybe you're not getting the love that you need at home or something. But there's a deeper issue going on here that, and it's not just about, you know, the reason why she's acting out.
Stop screaming. It's not helping you.
Dude.
Just stop. Okay, settle down. We'll get off it.
Her treatment was the result of her own behavior, refusing to cooperate and creating pure chaos. She even kicked the officers, forcing them to place shackles on her before finally lifting her into the air and putting her in the back of the patrol car.
Alice, take a deep breath.
Can you just make sure that 173 brings...
Stop banging your head. Stop. Quit. Hey, Palace. Hey, Palace. This is a really minor thing. You're turning into something else. Hey, there's no need in it. Hey, Palace, we're going to move you, okay? We're going to get you up, okay? There we go. That's perfect. Good job. See you later. Thank you.
I do not have a hobby.
You got to
help in any way you can.
See something to restrain her nylon or something to restrain her feet.
Don't have one.
We're going gonna need one. She's gonna kick and show herself. I got
You want to go grab yours?
I got leg shackles in my car.
Go grab yours. It's okay. Just breathe. We're not gonna let you hurt yourself. And we're not gonna hurt you. Your mom's not gonna kill you. It's okay.
I'm trying to not go with weed. I'm trying to go with it. I just want us to be okay.
I hear you.
I want us to be okay.
You guys Eddie Babb and
I don't know why. And I don't want it to be the only thing that makes me
Palace, I hear you. Palace, I hear you. You don't need to scream, okay? We're here listening to you.
Got something better.
All right. Take some deep breaths.
You got charges for
Yeah, I got possession of THC, battery Leo, and resisting.
All right, come on, Palace. 411 hospital. Where you park?
Right front.
Jimmy.
Shut that door. Go ahead.
Right here? All right. Over here. Palace, you gonna settle down?
Hey, LT, you want to grab her other leg, please? Somebody just for support underneath. Thanks. I got slipping. I didn't want her legs to hit. It's unlocked.
Someone on the other side?
Yeah, LT's going to the other side. I'll hang on to her. Okay, I got her. Hang on to her bags. All right, you got her. I'm getting out. I'm sliding out. Go ahead. Thanks. All right, come on. Give her shoes.
All right. Pop that on. And 1, 2, 3.
There we go.
All right.
I'll see your full name.
You got a bed. Yeah, a wheelchair or a bed or something. You hanging with me in there? Give me just a second. We're going to get something to roll you. Now we ain't going to carry you. How about that? She's been a little less than cooperative. I think she'll simmer down now.
Okay, fellas, you're at the hospital, not the jail, so these people are here to help you. They don't need you yelling and fighting and screaming, okay? You understand?
So if I take that hobble off your feet and I let you sit up on your own, you able to do that? You going to be cool with us? I'm going to take it off her feet so she can swing around.
I just want you to run or fight or do anything silly. You're not at the jail, okay?
Keep this out from under here. Thank you. All right. Just give your feet a second. Let them stretch. I know they're probably asleep or something. All right. We'll set them right there. When you're ready to sit up, let us know, and he's going to help you sit up, okay?
There's a wheelchair right here for you, okay? We're just going to have you sit down in this wheelchair whenever you're ready.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to swing your legs around, and I'm going to put them kind of in the front of you, okay? He's going to help you sit up at the same time, all right? There you go. All right, get your legs under you. There you go.
You just come out towards me.
All right. Let's scoot that side. She's coming that side. Where'd that come from? Probably in her pocket. I got it. I'll go give it to Chris.
The 17-year-old student was charged with possession of THC, battery, and resisting arrest in Santa Rosa County, though she later cooperated at the hospital. Don't miss more stories like this. Make sure.
Yeah, the only thing saving her is her age, man. She got less than 12 months. She better get it together, because once you turn 18, all that acting out and all of that, you're going to have some serious consequences behind it, and start getting that rap sheet ready. Yeah, this is just a cry for help, man. This is the only thing I could say, you know, but yeah, yeah. I don't know, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.